Giving directions. Places in a town or city. A cinema or a movie theater. A restaurant. A coffee shop or a cafe. A post office. In American English, this is called a gas station. In British English, it's called a petrol station. A hospital. A hotel. In American English, this can be called a pharmacy or a drugstore. In British English, it's called a chemist's store. A museum. A bank. A library. An airport. An amusement park. A university. In American English, this is called a mall. In British English, it's called a shopping center. Directions. Go straight. Go right or turn right. Go left or turn left. Locations. Next to or by. Between. Across from. On the corner. Giving directions. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get from the amusement park to the museum? Sure. Go out of the amusement park and turn left on Main Street. Then go straight. You'll see the museum on the left between the coffee shop and the cinema. Excuse me, would you please tell me how to get from the amusement park to the cinema? Sure. Go out of the amusement park and turn left on Main Street. Then go straight. You'll see the cinema on the left, on the corner, next to the museum. Excuse me, could you please tell me how to get from the mall to the airport? Of course. Go out of the mall and turn left on First Street. Go straight. Then turn right on Main Street. Go straight. Then turn right on 2nd Street. Go straight and you will see the airport on the right. If you're on social media, don't forget to follow us. We are on many different platforms. Also, if you're interested in free classes, don't forget to tell your friends about us.